So next I'm going to download and install Microsoft Visual Studio Code. It's the preferred text editor for this class and for some of my other classes. I'll have all the links for you attached to the assignment. I'm going to do a quick search to find it first though. It's going to be Microsoft, if I can spell it correctly, it's Microsoft Visual Studio Code. It's a free software from Microsoft. It works really well. And here's the link, Visual Studio link.microsoft.com. And Visual Studio Code is what I want. There's other software that looks in its name similarly to it, but the one you want is Visual Studio Code. I'm going to follow the link, download for Windows, and it's telling me to save the file. I'm going to save it in my desktop in a temporary folder that I have there. Save, minimize, and looks like it's already there. So I'll double click to begin the installation. It gives me the license agreement, your standard Microsoft EULA. I'll accept it. You can read it if you want. Click on next. It selects a place for me to install it. Make sure you have at least a quarter gig of memory, not that much. It's going to be called Visual Studio Code on the shortcuts, and then additional tasks. If you want a desktop icon, that's fine. All of these other things, that's up to you. I'll leave it there to add to the path. That's fine. Click next and tell it to install. When this is done, I think it's going to want to show me a README file on a web browser. I'll probably just skip that. You can read it at home if you want. And it's done installing. You can launch it by clicking Finish right away. And there it is. This is Visual Studio Code. The first thing that we're going to do with it in the next video is I'm going to show you how to use the code to actually create some directories and get files from your GitHub account.